Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to track the likes on your Facebook webpage using a tool from Facebook developers. Let's get started. First, visit the official Facebook developers plugin page. You can either search for it or click the link in the description. You'll see a field labeled URL to like. Paste the exact link of the web page you want to monitor in this field. Make sure the URL is exactly as it appears in your browser or as it's indexed in search engine results. If you want to learn how to copy the link of a website, you can check the first link in the description. Once you've pasted the link, hit the Enter button. The page will update with a like and share button that shows the current number of likes and shares your webpage has received on Facebook. Here's a quick tip. Ensure you paste the URL exactly as it's displayed. Even small differences, like including a slash at the end, can show different results. By using this feature, you can closely monitor your web page's social performance. These insights can be valuable for your overall digital strategy. Start tracking your Facebook website likes today and gain valuable insights into your audience's engagement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.